skills actually matter in the age of AI? You've got experts, you have founders, and you have investors. Everyone has an opinion. But we didn't want to rely on one person, so we decided to do something different. We asked 6 of the most popular AIs, what are the top 5 skills that humans need to survive in the AI age? We then combined their answers into a weighted average ranking. Here we have the ultimate survival list for the age of AI, compiled by AI itself. At number 5, we have lifelong learning, the ability to continuously upgrade your skills. AI moves very fast and you need to keep up. At number 4, we're talking about creativity, thinking in ways a prediction engine simply cannot. That is your edge. At number 3, we've got emotional intelligence. It's no longer about IQ, but it's about your EQ. Understand the context, understand humans, understand the human nuance. This is the one thing that AI still struggles with. At number 2, you've got adaptability. The speed at which you can adapt and pivot is going to be your biggest competitive advantage. The entire industry, things can change overnight. And the number 1, and this is by a landslide, is critical thinking. All 6 of the bots agreed that critical thinking is the number 1 skill in the AI age. The agreement of all the AIs is itself a rarity because the AIs never seem to agree. And notice something? What is missing here? None of the AIs said prompt engineering. None of them said coding. The bots themselves are telling us the most valuable skills in the AI age for humans are the deeply human ones. So why did the 6 completely different AI systems all agree that critical thinking is the most important skill? Because what is critical thinking? It is the ability to analyze information, to question it, and decide what is actually true and useful. AI doesn't know what's true. It only knows what sounds right. It is based on probabilities. It can give you a very confident answer, but it cannot tell you if that answer is misleading, biased, or if even matters. In the age of AI, the real advantage is no longer the information. It's you knowing how to filter it, knowing what is important and what is not. So now rests the question, how do we build critical thinking? Here we have provided you with a 5-step human plan. The first is question the assumptions. Don't take things at face value. Don't take the first answer the AI gives you as the right one. Number 2 is evaluate the evidence. Check the sources, check the logic. Does it make sense? Number 3 is compare perspectives. Look at multiple viewpoints. An easy way to do this is not only look at your own viewpoint, but put it through multiple AIs. That will help you get multiple perspectives on an issue. At number 4 is identify bias or gaps. Spot what's missing, what's incomplete, what have we not covered. And number 5, make reasoned decisions. Choose based on logic and not just confidence and good writing. In the AI age, this critical thinking becomes even more important. In the old world, power became access to information. In the AI world, power comes from filtering, judgment, and using that information wisely. In the age of AI, the winners won't be the ones who get the answers the fastest. They'll be the ones who know which answers to trust.